Hello everyone. Today's our topic is invertible matrices. If A is a square matrix of order M and if there exists another square matrix B of the same order M such that AB is equal to BA is equal to identity matrix, then B is called the inverse of matrix A and it is denoted by A inverse. In that case, A is said to be invertible. We can also write A into A inverse is equal to A inverse into A is equal to the identity matrix. First theorem on the invertible matrix, uniqueness of inverse, and theorem statement is inverse of a square matrix if it exists is unique. Means inverse of a square matrix if exists it is unique. Unique means have only one and only one inverse. Okay, let A is equal to Aij be a square matrix of order M. If possible, let B and C be two inverse of A. We have taken B and C inverse of a matrix A. We shall show that both B and C are equal matrices. Okay, AB is equal to BA equal to identity. If B is the inverse of A, AC is equal to CA equal to identity. If C is the inverse of A. Okay, let me take B is equal to B into I. Because of that, matrix B into I is equal to B and I is equal to AC. I equal to AC. We have given the reason I equal to AC. Now, by property of associative, BA into C and BA is equal to identity. It is identity matrix. I into C, that is C. So, we have proven that B equal to C. Therefore, inverse of a square matrix is unique. Theorem 2. If A and B are invertible matrices of same order, then AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Okay, from the definition of the inverse of a matrix, we have AB into AB inverse is equal to identity. As we know that A into A inverse is always identity matrix. So, pre-multiply both sides by A inverse. A inverse AB into AB to the whole inverse is equal to A inverse into I. By using associative property, A inverse into A, B, AB inverse is equal to A inverse. A inverse into I, that is A inverse. Now, A inverse into A, it is identity matrix into B, and AB inverse is equal to A inverse. Identity into B, that is B, AB inverse is equal to A inverse. Now, pre-multiply both sides by B inverse. B inverse into B and B inverse into A inverse. Okay, B inverse into B, again it is identity matrix. AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Identity into any matrix, that will be the same matrix. AB inverse is equal to B inverse and A inverse. So, AB inverse is always equal to the B inverse into A inverse.